In JavaScript, there are two types of values. One is variable and another is literal. In the previous section, we declared a variable called as name and assigned the value Fahad to it. And then we log that value into console. I can change the value of name to something else. I'm going to change name to John and then log that value in console. Save the file. And now if I refresh the page, it's going to print Fahad and then it's going to print John because we changed the value of name to John and then we logged it into console. And then it's going to print hello world because it's a literal value. You do not have to assign your variable when you declare them. I can remove this and save the file. And now if I refresh the page, it's going to print undefined because nothing is set to name yet. And then we are setting name to John. That's what is getting printed here. And then the literal value hello world gets printed at the end. In the next section, I'm going to talk about comments.